experience for the viewer. Step 8. Distribution. Once the film has been completed, the final step is to distribute it to the target audience. This may involve submitting the film to film festivals, seeking distribution through a production company, or self-distributing through online platforms such as Vimeo or YouTube. It's important to have a clear marketing and distribution plan in place before releasing the film, as this will help to ensure that the film reaches the widest possible audience. One important technique is framing and composition. The filmmaker should consider how the animals are framed in the shot, and how this affects the overall mood and tone of the film. For example, using a close-up shot of the animals' faces can create a sense of intimacy and focus on the emotional bond between them, while using a wide shot of the animals and their environment can create a sense of grandeur and emphasize the natural world around them. Another important technique is lighting. The filmmaker should consider how lighting can be used to highlight certain aspects of the animal's behavior, such as a spotlight on a particular interaction or a dramatic change. In lighting to emphasize a key moment in the friendship. It's also important to consider the color temperature of the lighting, and how this can affect the mood and tone of the film. Warm tones can create a sense of intimacy and comfort, while cool tones can create a sense of distance and formality. Sound is also a crucial element in creating a film about animal friendship. The filmmaker should consider the quality of the sound captured during filming, and how this can be enhanced in post-production. It's important to use appropriate microphones to capture the sounds of the animals and their environment, and to adjust the levels during filming to ensure that the sound is balanced and clear. In post-production, the filmmaker should consider using sound effects and music to further enhance the emotional impact of the animal's friendship, such as using a gentle score to emphasize their bond or using natural sounds to create a sense of immersion in their environment. Another important technique is movement and camera work. The filmmaker should consider how movement can be used to create visual interest and convey the energy of the animal's interactions. This may involve using a Steadicam or handheld camera to capture the movement of the animals, or using slow-motion shots to emphasize a dramatic moment in their friendship. It's important to use camera movement in a way that enhances the overall storytelling of the film, rather than just for the sake of visual interest. Additionally, the use of editing is crucial in creating a film about animal friendship. The filmmaker should consider how the footage captured during filming can be edited in a way that tells a clear and compelling story. This may involve using cuts and transitions to create a sense of rhythm and flow, or using overlays and split screens to show different perspectives of the animals' interactions. It's important to consider the pacing of the film and how it affects the emotional response of the audience, such as using quick cuts to create a sense of excitement or slower, more contemplative shots to emphasize the beauty of the animal's bond. Lastly, it's important to consider the ethical considerations of filming animals, and to ensure that the animals are treated with respect and care throughout the filming process. This may involve working with animal behavior experts or trainers, obtaining necessary permits and permissions, and taking steps to minimize the impact of the filming on the animal's natural behavior and environment. The filmmaker should also be mindful of any cultural or historical sensitivities that may be associated with the animals or their environment, and take steps to ensure that the film is respectful and appropriate. One important consideration is the use of interviews.